Hello again, welcome to my channel. I'm Angela from artorai.com. I have a recent acquisition. It's the We Are Memory Keepers fuse tool. I've been a bit wary about using it because it gets extremely hot, and I mean very, very hot. So if you do decide to use this, please be aware that it can cause a nasty burn at the very minimum. But it is ideal for making things like shaker card pockets. You can make tags and things with it, like see-through ones. This is just the bare minimum of what you can do with it. I just think it's really good. I've experimented with different kinds of plastic to do these, and the best thing I have found for doing them are these plastic pockets that you can get. You can get different sizes, but these are absolutely ideal for the things I want to show you today. Now these pockets have little openings at the top of each one, and actually this is ideal if you want to make a shaker pocket because they're already sealed down like certain edges, but you're only going to really get one or two out these that are sealed around three sides, if you know what I mean. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. So I'm going to move those out of the way. So first of all, what you get your fuse tool. You get a little stand, which is very important. You don't want this touching anything. And you get this ruler with sort of rubber bits on the bottom. So if you wanted to use it on a glass mat, I mean this is heat proof, so I could quite happily use it on there, but I am going to use it on my silicone mat as well because you get a little bit of extra give, and I think it helps the fuse tool to adhere the plastic. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut out of the edges of that, and that'll leave me with a nice little pocket. So there we go. Oh, bit needs cutting off there. So what we're left with is a little pocket that's closed on three sides and opened up on the one side like that, and that's ideal. Now if you're going to have, like, see those pockets have tiny little holes in there, so if you're going to put glitter or something in there, then what I suggest you do is fuse just inside of these lines, so you have like a double seal if you like. I'm not going to do that just for this video, but you can also insert like a little bit of ephemera or something like that, or a sentiment in there, but I'm just going to show you how to do it, how to seal it up. So I'm just going to use the usual Crafter's Companion sequin pack, which I just cannot seem to use up. You can make little paper funnels for the smaller pockets just to put the sequins in, but I'm going to attempt to do it probably unwisely like this. Oops. No, I didn't spill any sequins there. Everything's fine. Right, so now what you do, you've got this little ruler, and you can put the tool in there. That sort of gives you a very straight guide. But what I like to do, so I can see more of the edge, is just use it like that. It's up to you. So I'm going to, in fact I think I will double seal this edge just so you can see what I mean, because it gives a not unattractive effect. So you take the tool, and depending on the thickness of the plastic would depend on how fast you do it. This needs to heat up for at least 10 minutes. This has been on now about half an hour because I've been practicing, so it is very hot. And you just run it along the side of the ruler like that, and hopefully it should seal it up, which it has. So like I said, I'm going to show you just how to double seal it, just to get a little bit of extra security. Now you can do that all the way around, because the double seal I think gives quite a nice effect. It does look nice. But that's how easy it is just to make your own shaker pocket. I mean that's fine, isn't it? It's absolutely fine. Like I say, if you put something in to back it as well, that's great. And I made this just by it's not very good, it was just a practice, and it's a little bit messy, but I will show you how to do it if I can find me. I just used a die. You can just use a die and trace around them. So where's the right, this is a pocket that I've cut, and you can see it's a mess, but it can still be used quite nicely. So all you do is you put on the die onto the pocket, and just be very, very careful and just trace around it. As well, of course, you can double seal that as well. That actually seems quite solid. So I've left this end bit there for the opening, and that's where you would put in your sequins, just in there like that. And then all I did was fill it up and then seal it up. Just try and get it straight if you can. You can use the die or your ruler. I mean, you can get it straight by using a grid or something like that, just to get it straightened, but I'm not bothered about that because this is just to show you how to do it. Right, so say that is now filled with sequins or ephemera, or you can put flowers or anything in that you want, and then all you do is just cut around it just outside of where you've sealed it. Of course, I'm hopeless at cutting, so excuse me. Yeah, that is really bad, but of course you can go around and trim off the bits that you've done wrong, if you do any bits wrong. So there you go, it's all sealed, and you have all your sequins and your ephemera inside. And then what you can do is just punch a hole in the top. I would use a smaller punch than this. This is quite a large one. Put your ribbon in like that, and bob your uncle. That's how you can use your dies to do it. So there are literally all kinds of things you can do with this tool, and providing that you use the right kind of plastic. I mean, like I say, I did try different types of plastic. I've tried plastic dividers, like folder dividers and things like that. I've tried little like plastic bags that I've got from Temu for me stock, but these definitely work the best. And like I say, if you double seal around, then you can put your glitter in and everything, and they should stay there. So these are the two shaker pockets I've made, and that's a little tag I've made. I think I saw somebody in one video, she put all her sequins in, and then I think she measured it all out. It was much better than this, obviously. So she did something like that, and then she cut it out. Oh, it's all crooked. Yeah, that's terrible. Don't look at my cutting. I've just done this on the spur of the moment. But she did that, and she made a kind of tag. I mean, obviously it was straight, but there's all kinds of things you can do. You can make circle ones. Just draw around a circle die. Obviously you can make square ones. You can make any shape you like. It's just a matter of drawing round with this, tracing round whatever die you have on or whatever you like to make. But these shaker pockets are just so simple. So I don't know if that was any help. If there's anything I've missed out or anything you'd like me to clarify, please let me know in the comments, because I know sometimes I don't explain myself very well. So please don't forget to let me know if there's anything else that you think that I have missed out. So thank you so much for watching. I always appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye bye now.